Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the claim type, because Content ID versus manual copyright changes the process. Once done, collect proof: source files, raw footage, licenses, or receipts, and note timestamps. Now open YouTube Studio, go to Content, and click the video with the claim to view details. Describe why you believe the claim is invalid: fair use, license, or you own the content. Be concise. Explain what evidence you will attach, and prepare to choose the proper dispute option. Next, you select the dispute reason: fair use, licensed content, or that you own the material, and choose the matching form fields. Then attach your evidence: original file uploads, timestamps, licensed PDFs, or registration numbers. Make sure to summarize the situation in a concise, factual statement. 2 to 3 short paragraphs works best. Once uploaded, double-check contact info and hit submit. YouTube will notify the claimant and start a review, so be ready to respond if they request more detail. Finally, monitor the dispute status closely, because the claimant has a response window before escalation. If the claimant releases the claim, your video is restored. Make sure to confirm monetization too. If denied, you can appeal, file a counter notice for takedown abuse, or obtain licensing proof and resubmit. Choose carefully since counter notices have legal implications. One troubleshooting tip: if claims repeat, document dates, messages, and case ID, and escalate through YouTube support or platform forums to resolve persistent wrongful claims.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.